I'm here to show you an app that pays you for sharing your internet connection. All right. Now, the name of this app is Honeygain. Honeygain. Here is the app here. Now, Honeygain pays you whenever you share your internet connection. Hello, beautiful subscribers, and welcome back once more to my channel. This is Console Onyekwere, where we teach how to make money online in Nigeria and even outside Nigeria. If you are new here and this is your first time of being on this channel, I urge you to subscribe to this channel now. Make sure you subscribe because you are missing a lot. So subscribe to this channel now and turn on the notification so that anytime I upload another wonderful content, you are going to be notified. All right. Now, this is what the Honeygain app looks like. All right. So I've already watched much reviews on this app, and I would just like to give you a summary. I won't like to waste much of your time. I'll be as fast as possible. Now, this app, the minimum payouts is $20. So this app pays you just for leaving your data on. Just leave your data and also leave the app running. You don't have to do any other thing in order to earn on this app. But another thing, this app is not a make money fast app. They pay very little percentage for this, so you just have to leave it on and running, and after that you can cash out your $20, and you can get paid by PayPal or Bitcoin. Those are the two you can use, and I think Payoneer. But anyhow, it's not a make money fast scheme. And I also wanted to advise something. If you know you don't used to have much data, then I won't advise you to do this because it needs your data to be on. But if you know you have Wi-Fi or home internet or maybe school Wi-Fi, then you can do it and you are going to earn from it. So this is all about this app, and it actually works. There's no scam about it. They are going to pay you and you are going to see your alerts. So you can go ahead to register on the on my link. I've already dropped my link on the description and also on the comment section, so you can go ahead to register. If you have any question or suggestion, you can just drop it on the comment section and I'm going to see it and reply. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like this video, and also share if possible. And also make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Thank you guys for watching this video and stay blessed.